Tanima, even as those games get set to begin, we know that there's a very heavy security cover across the capital, and this will also mean a lot of roads which will be blocked off for pretty much the entire day.
That's right, Prachi. In fact, that's the reason why the traffic police had issued the advisory as early as Friday to highlight the roads that will be blocked throughout the day. There are certain cross sections which are going to be blocked from 6 in the morning to midnight, right way after the opening ceremony closes. But there are routes along going from the Commonwealth Games village, for instance, to the Nehru Stadium during the afternoon and right till the evening, which will be blocked, which will be manned by security personnel across the entire length of the route for people. And in fact, even at the Nehru Stadium in itself, the police the press conference that the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Dadwal, held yesterday, he highlighted that the spectators who are coming in for the opening ceremony should be seated way in advance. They should be coming in by the afternoon itself for the event, which begins at 7 in the evening. And there are a lot of checkpoints across on the way of the entry towards the stadium in itself. So there is a lot of arrangements being made by the Delhi police to make sure that the opening ceremony is a success. In fact, we know that the venues have been heavily secured. There are sharpshooters who are going to be placed on tall buildings, on structures across the venue to make sure that even aerially, if there is any sort of threat to the venues, that can also be taken care of. As the press conference also mentioned yesterday that besides the people that the Delhi police already had, they have recruited an additional 6,000 people. It's just for the Commonwealth Games, and they have been trained specially by the NSG in order to take care of any kind of terror attacks, any possible terror attacks that could come upon the capital city during the Commonwealth Games. So major arrangements by the Delhi police. They're trying to leave no stone unturned for the event today.
Well, thanks so much, Tanima, for that. Of course, India's pride over there at stake. So the Delhi government pretty much doing everything it can to ensure that that opening ceremony is extremely smooth. Thanks so much, Tanima.